hardcore soft porn, and you know that it's gonna be fucking enchanting. I'm in every girl's bedroom to the age of 12 and into their 20s if they don't believe in themselves. Now I'm busting out onto the adult scene, and I'll do one better than porn, 'cause I'm a fantasy. Girls like horses is universal fact, but women like horns, so in the A-Team track. So, do you like a unicorn, hardcore soft porn, and you know that it's gonna be fucking enchanting? This ain't no Donkey Show, there's gotta be rainbows and shit. And I hate to play the stereotypes, but I'm gonna do you up on it. You probably heard that I can be turned away and leave our virgins. Well, it's the other way around, but only because I generally prefer it. Oh, you unlucky girl, Catherine the Great would be jealous, but not know his wife. That's why the Ark wouldn't take us. So hop on my back and I'll return the favor later. We got a forest to hit, with a pool at the center. Unicorn out, bitches.